If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. If you don't know what Inktober is a challenge for all artists around the world, beginner or experienced, where we post either a picture or a video of an ink drawing for every day of Inktober. Now, you can either do it randomly or you can follow the same list I've been following for years. I also have a playlist on my channel where I did Inktober for 2021, 2022 and 2023. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. So here we have the Corythosaurus, day 21 of Inktober. I must say that I'm not the best at drawing herbivorous dinosaurs. I almost butchered that word. But I'm not the best at drawing them, and I really want to get better at them. So what way is better than to just draw them? You know, like forcing yourself to draw them for Inktober is a perfect way to improve, you know, those kinds of drawings. I believe that the drawing that I did a year ago was not the best. It's very inaccurate, and the colors are just, it's almost like they're from a child's show. Let me show you guys an example of 2023. Yeah, here you go. Like it's pretty bad. But anyways, so I did do a little bit of a background. It is the most simple background that I've done until now, since again, I'm trying to spare as much time as I can, experimenting with new things and how new things are gonna look in this drawing. Is also something that I'm gonna have to do. Like, I'm gonna have to experiment a lot to see how I can make a drawing as fast as I can and actually make it look decent. So for the coloring of this drawing, the coloring of this dinosaur, I decided to do something that I've never really done, which is drawing the dinosaur and having him, like, having the shadow side be on our side. So we are looking at the dark side of this dinosaur now. And in my opinion, this is pretty hard to pull off. I have seen Rowan Soar do it a lot. If you don't know Rowan Soar, you should go check out his channel. He's also very talented in drawing dinosaurs, and he makes them look really good. He does this a lot. He does like the shadow side of the dinosaur, and it looks really good, and he's very good at blending as well. So I just decided to have my go at it, and it took me about a little over an hour to finish this drawing, which isn't too bad. But yeah, so here we have this little montage of high quality close-up clips, and yeah. So what do you guys think? Did I improve or not?